After the industrial age, we are now entering into the idea-intensive age. As on one side, new technologies are pouring like raindrops, and on the other side, universities have opened the floodgates of customary MBAs in the market. The jobs with traditional skills are dying, and headcounts are reducing for technologies to take over. While some are debating if technology is the right replacement of human beings, the revenue per employee of handful companies like Apple and Google crosses over astounding $1 million. Google's share price soared by 674% since its inception. Their workplaces are swamped with ideas boards and engagement areas. The employee benefit plans cover from college fee reimbursements to legal assistance. Deceased employees' families are getting 50% of their salaries till decades. The question is, why? Why are they investing in human beings? Who brings customers to the company? Employee or machine? The answer is none. It is an idea which brings customers, and as a matter of fact, machines don't give ideas, but employees do. The organizations that take care of their employees do so to stimulate their creative minds and to deliver never-ending streams of ideas. Ideas do not blossom in the soil of anxiety, threatened self-esteem, worrying about meeting the ends, and denial of recognitions. If 100% of employees are replaced with the most advanced and sophisticated technologies, organizations will extinct within a blink of an eye. The human potential is still not measurable, and its boundaries are still not discovered. All these human beings with quality degrees and capabilities, who have needs, those who have families and who do not find their way into the visionary organizations and who are fading on the streets, are possessing ideas with them worth millions of dollars each. If the same importance which is given to the research and development of technologies is given to human development, not only new products and technologies will emerge, but it will develop new markets and customers, generating enormous profits for the businesses. Human development is the next industrial wave, and no technology superior to human being is yet invented.